In just a few seconds, look at this. Hundreds of ants instantly gone. No expensive chemicals, no toxic sprays, just simple ingredients you already have at home. Today I'm going to show you a problem that almost everyone faces: ants invading the house. They come when food wrappers are left behind or when crumbs fall on the floor. And within seconds, your home is full of ants. For families with toddlers or little kids, this can be dangerous. Ants can bite, cause rashes, and irritate sensitive skin. That's why in this video, I'll show you a super simple homemade solution to get rid of ants fast, safely, effectively, and without buying expensive ant killers. First, prepare a small empty spray bottle. Next, we need 2 ingredients you definitely have at home. Salt. I'm using fine salt. Any brand is fine. About 3 tablespoons will do. You will also need laundry detergent. Again, any brand works. Also 3 tablespoons. Put both into the spray bottle, then add about 500 milliliters of water. Shake it well until everything dissolves. You do not want the salt clogging up the nozzle. That's it. Your homemade ant exterminator is ready. Whenever you see ants gathering, just spray this solution directly. Watch carefully. As soon as the spray touches the ants, they stop moving instantly. Big ants, small ants, all of them die within seconds. Even on walls, tables, or spilled syrup spots, this solution works perfectly. It's really this effective. So why does this mixture work so well? Salt and laundry detergent work together as a simple but powerful ant killer because they attack ants in 2 different ways. Salt naturally dehydrates ants by drawing moisture out of their bodies, which quickly weakens and kills them. Laundry detergent, on the other hand, breaks down the protective waxy coating on an ant's exoskeleton and clogs their breathing pores, spiracles, causing them to suffocate. When mixed with water, detergent also acts as a surfactant, allowing the solution to stick to the ants' bodies instead of rolling off. This combination makes the mixture lethal within seconds, while still being easy and inexpensive to make at home. So friends, don't waste money on store-bought ant killers. With just salt and detergent, you can make your own powerful, safe, and cheap exterminator at home. I hope this tip is useful for you. If you like simple DIY solutions like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more creative ideas. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video on how to get rid of pests with baking soda.